Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review tools, test products, and share honest opinions to help you make better buying decisions. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new review. Today we're taking a detailed look at the TRONIC Cordless Fan from Lidl, a portable rechargeable fan designed primarily for camping, outdoor activities, and everyday use around the home. After spending time with this fan and using it in real-world conditions, I found several things that impressed me and one important drawback that you should know before buying. Let's start with the design. The fan feels lightweight and easy to carry, making it a practical option for camping trips, caravans, balconies, home offices, workshops, and even bedrooms. One feature I immediately appreciated is the dedicated on-off safety switch. This may sound simple, but it prevents the fan from accidentally turning on during transport and stops buttons from being pressed inside your backpack or camping gear. Another major advantage is the built-in LED lighting system. The fan offers 3 different brightness levels, which means it can also function as a campsite light. When you're trying to reduce the amount of equipment you carry, having both a fan and a light in one device is a huge benefit. One of the standout features is the integrated 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. In an emergency, you can charge your smartphone, headphones, flashlight, GPS device, or other USB-powered electronics. For campers and travelers, this extra functionality adds a lot of value and can be incredibly useful when access to electricity is limited. Now let's talk about airflow. The TRONIC fan offers multiple speed adjustments. You can either use the dimmer style control for fine-tuning or quickly select preset levels of 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% power. What surprised me most was how effective it was at very low settings. Inside my small camping tent, I was running it at only 1% power, and it still provided enough airflow to stay comfortable throughout the night. That's impressive efficiency, and it also helps maximize battery life. Another feature that makes this fan very versatile is its mounting system. It includes a hook that allows you to hang it almost anywhere. In my case, I hung it inside my tent, and you'll see that set up at the end of the video. In addition, there are mounting holes that allow permanent installation on a wall using screws. This means it's not just a camping fan. It can also be used in workshops, garages, offices, storage rooms, or any location where you want a portable airflow solution. One thing I really liked is how quiet it is. Even at higher speeds, the noise level remains surprisingly low. For sleeping, relaxing, reading, or working, this quiet operation makes a noticeable difference compared to many portable fans on the market. The lightweight construction is another advantage. Moving it from room to room or packing it for a trip is effortless. So, who is this fan for? In my opinion, it's ideal for campers, caravan owners, outdoor enthusiasts, fishermen, travelers, and anyone looking for a portable cooling solution. It's also great for balconies, terraces, home offices, workshops, bedrooms, and even emergency preparedness kits. If you're looking for a device that combines airflow, lighting, and emergency charging capabilities in a single compact package, this fan is definitely worth considering. Now let's discuss the one significant negative point I discovered. The fan cannot operate while it is charging. This means that when the battery runs low and you connect it to charge, the fan function stops working. For some users, this may not be a major issue, but during hot summer nights, camping trips, or situations where continuous airflow is important, this limitation can be frustrating. Personally, I would have preferred the ability to use the fan while charging, especially considering how versatile the rest of the product is. Overall though, the TRONIC Cordless Fan impressed me. It combines portability, quiet operation, adjustable airflow, integrated lighting, power bank functionality, and flexible mounting options in one compact unit. For camping and outdoor use especially, it offers a lot of practical features that can reduce the amount of equipment you need to carry. If you've used this fan, let us know your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tool reviews, product tests, camping gear, and honest buying advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.